أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وَإِذْ يَعِدُكُمُ اللَّهُ إِحْدَى الطَّائِفَتَيْنِ أَنَّهَا لَكُمْ وَتَوَدُّونَ أَنَّ غَيْرَ ذَاتِ الشَّوْكَةِ تَكُونُ لَكُمْ وَيُرِيدُ اللَّهُ أن يحق الحق بكلماته ويقطع دابر الكافرين.
Allah has promised you one of the two groups, that it would be yours, but you wanted the unarmed group to be yours. Allah intends to prove the truth with His words, and to uproot the disbelievers.
ليحق الحق ويبطل الباطل ولو كره المجرمون.
In order to confirm the truth and nullify falsehood, even though the guilty dislike it.